Hi beautiful beings! Ever tried losing weight and kept failing over and over again? Watch this video to find out what worked for me. For the best vegan health and wellness advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified every single time I upload a new video. If you've ever tried countless diets, detoxes, cleanses, and still seem to struggle to keep weight off, I feel you, because it's a struggle. And by the end of this video, I will share with you 4 essential pillars or weight loss habits that have helped me lose 28 pounds and keep it off, so stay tuned. I've been able to prove this on myself, and countless other people use this method, and it's very popular and works very well for lots of people. It's not new, I didn't create it, but it was very new to me, so I will share with you what these 4 essential habits are. The first step here is nutrition. Nutrition plays a huge role in a healthy weight loss. Nutrition is 80% of your healthy weight loss. What you eat matters. Making sure your food quantity and quality is good is very important. It basically determines how you feel, how great you perform, how much overall energy, and how good you do on a daily basis. In the past, I've had my fair share of experiences with yo-yo dieting, under-eating, and also like under-eating just like a banana a day to like overeating like a whole tub of ice cream. And I've had experiences with like different diets as well, very low calorie diets, just consuming not that much food. And so I know what it's like to experience all these different diets and have basically nothing work for you. And also as a vegan, I've basically experienced a lot of weight gain even through like eating lots of whole foods and grains, vegetables, and rice, things like that. And I followed YouTubers that would tell you to basically just like eat whatever whole foods you want and you won't gain weight, and like just eat as much as you want and you'll still be fine. However, I didn't find that to be true. So you might ask, what worked for you? So what worked for me is 2 words: calorie deficit. Okay, so this is not a new concept. This is nothing new or out of the ordinary. The calories are calories. It doesn't matter if you eat a tub of ice cream, bananas, rice, potatoes. It doesn't matter what food it is. Calories are calories. If you like overeat too much of anything, then you basically just like end up gaining weight, and that results in more fat. And we usually end up not wanting that. So last year I discovered this whole world of calorie counting and macro counting through a trainer that I had at the gym. And you don't need a trainer, you don't need like nothing fancy, no gym, no nothing. However, like I was able to have that experience, and it has been a significant help to me. At first, it took a bit of getting used to because I've never really done it, and I definitely did not do it right the first couple of months, and I didn't see that much result because I wasn't doing it right. But once I got used to it, it got very easy. It was actually very simple. You just basically figure out what foods you like to eat, and there's this whole world that is basically like way simpler, and it just takes the guesswork out of like figuring out what to eat, and you just like reach your goals a lot easier. And at least that's what I found for me. And also, like if you guys are interested, like figure out what your fat loss, calories, and macros would be. There are many websites. I can link some down below for you, and you can just basically use that and figure out what how much you need to eat. And you can start tracking just calories and then move on to macros, and that would probably make it a lot easier. It's a great way to use as a portion control tool, and it has helped me. Number 2. So the second healthy habit that is important and that has been significant in my weight loss journey has been fitness. Fitness is very important because moving our bodies throughout the day is very important and makes you feel good. Most of us spend all day sitting in a classroom or sitting in an office desk, and that's very draining, and then our blood doesn't flow as much when we're just sitting all day. And so just going for walks, any type of exercise just to move your body is very important, because even though nutrition is key, physical activity is very good and has so many health benefits, and not just weight loss. You can do anything from basically walking to boxing, Pilates, gymnastics, and there's so many exercises and just ways to move your body. You literally don't need to just go to a gym, or you can even just do YouTube video workouts and not necessarily feel like you have to do one thing. But for me personally, I found weightlifting, and so I have been lifting weights, but I have actually never really lifted or never really went to the gym. So I started going, and I've been very consistent with both my nutrition and my fitness, and that has basically been like a huge part of my success and has helped me reach good results. I would recommend weightlifting just because it makes you feel so much stronger on a daily basis. Like it helps you do everyday activities so much easier, like carrying grocery bags or lifting heavy things if you're ever in that situation. And so I find it very fun and just like challenging, but still very fun. There's still so many things you can do, and it doesn't really matter like what you do as long as you move your body. The third important step in losing weight and just losing weight in a healthy way is mindset. Mindset is very important, and our mindset basically determines what we achieve and what we don't achieve, and it's definitely something that you have to cultivate every day, and it definitely doesn't necessarily come easy to most of us, and certainly doesn't come easy or natural to me every single day. However, it's something we have to work on and try to improve on a daily basis. I would say that like basically whenever you tell yourself that you can do something, you're able to do it. But like whenever like you basically like believe that you can't do something, then it's like your mind believes it. So we basically have control over like what we achieve and what we don't. However, it's a lot easier said than done, but just practicing positive affirmations on a daily basis and things like that are definitely helpful. I would save Pinterest quotes and cute pictures of like what your like dream body or goals are, and like just the things that you want to achieve, travel or whatever it is. Like having that like on hand, like whether it's in your room or on your phone, is definitely very handy. Fun music that pumps you up. You don't always like have that inner motivation, but you can still get it from external sources. Know that you are worthy of achieving your goals, and basically know that you are enough, and know that you are valuable and that you are good enough just the way you are, and you can achieve anything that you want in the entire world. So you can do this. The fourth healthy habit that we need to form to have a healthy weight loss journey is sleep. Sleep is very important because it's important for our bodies to rest and recover from like a whole day's worth of work, and like all the energy that has been wasted, you need to like recover and revitalize your body. And so that is why sleep is very important. We're told that like it's important to get like 6 to 8 hours of sleep, but I'll be honest, I'm even guilty of staying up late and binge watching shows and that type of thing. So it's definitely hard to break that kind of habits if you're a late night person. It could be challenging, but sleep is very important because like that's when our muscles get time to recover, and that's when we build muscle and lose all the fat and all that. So we need to get our C's. Now you know exactly what steps to take and what to do in order to achieve a healthy weight loss. But what about when you get tempted to eat ice cream or donuts or cookies? I know what that's like, and it can be tricky. So I got you covered because I made a video on how you can basically like break your junk food habit, and I will link that down below for you so you can watch that and know what to do when you're craving like junk food. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below with helpful if it helped you, and don't forget to share and comment. And I said comment already. Okay, don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos. Live and love fully. Bye!